Check out this intense footage of a tornado ripping through Harry Street in Wichita, Kansas, leaving destruction in its wake. Watch as a powerful flash flood sweeps through a village in Afghanistan in July 2024, leaving behind widespread devastation. As you can see, a man is swept away by the powerful floodwaters, struggling to keep himself from being carried further. Luckily, he managed to pull himself to safety, escaping the danger just in time. Watch as this terrifying floodwater destroys a home in India. A trailer crashes into a storm chaser's car during a powerful tornado, capturing the sheer force and danger of nature's wrath. This CCTV footage shows a teacher lecturing students in a classroom when suddenly a powerful earthquake strikes, causing chaos in the room. Heavy rains in Pakistan create a mesmerizing scene as floodwaters plunge into the ground, highlighting the power of nature in action. A huge, massive landslide crashes down with unstoppable force, reshaping the landscape in an instant. Oh my God! This powerful lightning strike hit Florida in July 2009.
Whoa!
This guy survives an intense close-up encounter with a powerful tornado in Nebraska, facing nature's fury head-on. Stormwater blasts through the window of these boys' study room, sweeping away everything in its path and leaving the room in chaos. In Taiwan, these people were playing badminton in the hall when suddenly, a powerful earthquake struck, bringing the entire ceiling crashing down. Check out this dramatic footage as Hurricane Irma ravages Maho Beach in St. Martin, showing the devastating power of nature as it destroys the famous beach calm. A few years ago, a catastrophic flood struck Kerala, India, causing widespread devastation and destroying countless homes, leaving many families displaced. Look at this powerful underground explosion in Ukraine that completely destroyed a road. Watch as the mighty Padma River in Taranagar relentlessly erodes its banks, tearing through the land and uprooting trees, while stunned villagers look on, witnessing nature's raw power in action. Watch as a Connecticut home collapses into the rushing floodwater. Look at this CCTV footage from Hualien, Taiwan, as a powerful earthquake strikes on April 2024. Inside a cafe, staff and customers panic as the ground shakes violently. Watch as the massive chaparral fire in Murrieta, California, rapidly spreads across 1,400 acres in August 2021. Firefighters worked tirelessly to control the blaze.
Oh my God, look at the swarm over here! Holy...
On July 27 in Westerly, Rhode Island, beachgoers witnessed an incredible sight as a massive swarm of dragonflies filled the sky. This rare phenomenon turned a relaxing beach day into an unforgettable natural spectacle.
देखो देखो देवदार देखो बड़ा वाला पेंच आया देखो ये देखो ये आया गजब.
See how a massive avalanche crashes down from the Himalayas in India, showcasing the raw power of nature.
ये कैप्चर हुआ है avalanche. पीछे आ जाओ.
Floodwaters from Hurricane Helene surged through Asheville, North Carolina, turning streets into rivers and sweeping away homes and vehicles in a display of nature's unstoppable power. Watch as the Luni River in Nagaur, Rajasthan, cuts through massive sand cliffs, showcasing the raw power of erosion, a breathtaking reminder of how water can reshape landscapes in moments.
Shit, look at this. I'm caught in the middle of a twister. Woo! Oh, shit.
Ôi rồi, con sướng nó ra đi, còn 1 mét thôi, 1 mét thôi.
Watch as powerful floodwaters in Nam Tai, July 2024, sweep massive debris and trees towards a fragile bridge, pushing it to the edge of collapse.
Rồi, vẫn còn, vùi nữa, còn vùi nữa. Rồi.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
A powerful mud flow strikes the village of Erub in Karadinsky district, showcasing nature's raw force. CCTV footage captures powerful winds tearing through the area, leaving destruction in their path. Tyrniaus, 2017, this massive floodwater, unleashed from the mountains, surged through the city, sweeping away everything in its path.
Не, ну да, Баксана все равно далеко.